Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Take On Me sketch music video style using the TikTok's half screen sketch filter. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So ever wonder what it would be like to film an 80s style music video? Well, here's how to star in an MTV production with this cool effect on TikTok. So this TikTok effect gives you the ability to record half in real life while the other half in a cartoon sketch, something similar to the music video Take On Me. So let me show you how to use this effect. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search and search for half screen sketch. It should appear in the search results under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now here, check out how others have used this effect in their video. It creates a cool looking video once finished, and for those of you who don't see this effect in their search results, keep waiting as TikTok is slowly releasing it out for everyone. Now once you're ready, tap on Use this effect. Your sound should be set with the trending audio. Now go ahead and start recording your video. Using your hand, you can move this line in the middle so you can switch from full color view to a sketch view. Once you've recorded your video, go ahead and post it to TikTok. And that is how to create the Take On Me sketch music video using the TikTok's half screen sketch filter. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.